Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change all public Facebook posts to only me. So simply at first open your Facebook and click on to three line or menu option. This method will be work any Android and iOS device. In the same process, click on settings and privacy. Then you get settings option. Tap on, scroll down, and then you get activity lock. Press on, click on this arrow option, press on post, manage post. Okay, then showing it to your all post. I'm just filter, select all date and category, your post, photo and video. Okay, or if you want to select anything. Okay, alright, select one by one or press on all option. Click on to three dot, change audience, then you get only me option. Just select only me, then your all public post is private.